Hi YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to do another WIFEY tries, and today we're going to be looking at how to check the tyre pressures and maybe pump them up if you need to. So let me introduce my wife.
Hello.
So Angie, let's get started. Angie, I think what we'll do is have a look at this back tyre. I want to make sure that this is properly inflated to what it needs to be.
Okay.
What should we do?
Well, we need to check the pressure. And
Okay.
on my car, when I open the door, it has it written on the strip.
Okay.
Yep. That's like here. And it's not here.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. There's something here. No. But usually mine would have it there.
Okay, so other cars,
Okay.
like some Mercs, they actually have it in the fuel cap.
Okay.
So if we go around to the fuel cap.
Yeah.
There we have it.
Okay.
So do you understand what we're looking at here?
No, not really.
Okay, so let me explain. You have it in PSI or you have it in bar.
Right.
And you have it according to what you're actually, how many people are in the car.
Okay.
So 2 people with a minimal amount of luggage, we should have 32 PSI, for instance, on
At
the front, 32 at the back.
Okay.
If we had a load of luggage and a load of people, still 32 on the front, but it's saying that the back one should be 39.
Because that's the boot taking the weight.
The weight, correct.
Right, okay.
You can do this measurement in either bar, 2.7, or PSI, 39.
Okay.
So we'll have a look at the tyre, the pressure system, and we'll see how that works, yeah?
Okay, so we're looking at the back, and we're going to go for the top 32.
Yeah, because
So
we're not
both sides
overloading
will
at the
be
moment.
32.
Okay.
Right, okay.
All right, so going over to our trusty compressor. Here's what you're going to attach. You'll see we have bar PSI. So I don't know which number you wanted to go for. They both come to the same thing. But
PSI, I think it was red.
okay, so that would be the 32.
32?
Correct, yep, 32.
Okay.
Okay, so what do we now need to do?
I don't know. Let me have a quick look at it, what it looks like on here. 32's there. Okay. Well, need to take that cap off.
Correct, yep, so you can just stretch it over, it should go.
What this?
Yeah, so it turns out that the little clip on the end of the other hose was broken. So now we've got one that actually works. So let's go to the point where we're going to test and check the tyres now. That don't sound right, that don't sound right. Too much air's coming out. There you go. Hold that in, push it on. Now let go of the clip, that's it.
Okay.
It's because what you're doing is you're letting air out.
Okay.
Okay, now check it.
It's 40 something.
Okay, so we can let some air out using the little valve there to just get it down to 40. It's supposed to be down to 32. But on these tyres, I think 40 is probably okay at the moment. But you get the principle of what we're doing here?
It's down to 40 now.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So that's how you check your tyre pressures.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it's just a matter of popping the lid back on. Should we go back and visit the back one now? Now that
Yeah.
we've
Okay. Righty-tighty. Okay.
okay. So do the back one now. Yeah, my compressor's in a poor state. It lost one of its feet. That's it.
Oh.
And what are we on?
38.
140. Yeah, that's fine. Remember it was saying 39 if we had luggage. Well, yeah, I think we'll be alright on that. So that's how we check tyre pressures and pump them up. Any questions? Because to be honest, I think you did quite well with that.
No, I know where to check now.
Yep.
No, I'm fine. Job done.
Job done. Thanks guys. Join us on the next one.